So you can expect a fantastic LIGNA. We presented today our preparations. We have more than 1,100 exhibitors. Again, the same size like in LIGNA 2019. And after a 4 years break, we have a lot of innovations to be really perfect, competitive and modern in all aspects of woodworking. And we have two mega trends. One mega trend is sustainability, and the second one is digitalization. So digitalization is a tool to make wood processing even better step by step. So we would be very happy to have a lot of visitors from Mexico here in Hanover. Yes, indeed, we do have a lot of challenges, and the expectation for this year, looking back a couple of months, are really weak. Some expect a deep recession, but at this moment it's much better than expected. And for woodworking and the whole industry, one is for sure, we have really big challenges, like you ask, climate change, interrupted value change. We have so many challenges, but there is a solution. That is modern technique. Modern technique with innovations, and the answer is that innovations do not ask if there is a pandemic time, if there is an innovation, we have to use it to solve our problems. So we are really convinced that we need this trade show this year in May to find solutions to face all these challenges you asked for. We saw this morning the figures from VDMA, and they did 3.5 billion euro turnover in the German industry, machines for woodworking. And they expect for this year, 2023, almost the same. And from the markets, yes, we do not export at this moment here from Europe to Russia. There are the sanctions due to the war they started against Ukraine. So they are really losses. China is increasing again. China is again a very important market for the German and European industry. And yes, United States is also quite good. So exports, it's an export market. China, USA is very good. And looking on all these crises, there are more uncertainties compared to the period a couple of years before. But the figures we heard today, we are not too pessimistic, perhaps something like optimistic. Yes, from a German perspective, the main challenges in this moment, increasing prices. So we have an inflation rate we did not know for 10 years. The second challenge is really having enough labor, not only skilled labor. So Germany is becoming quite old, the same in Europe. So the Mexican society is 20 years younger than we. So we do not have enough young people. We do not have a clear strategy for immigration. And the third challenge are the global uncertainties. To be honest, our generation never expected that we have a war in Europe. So we still have a lot of uncertainties. Yes, and the answers and the solution is we have to do with examples at LIGNA, everything to attract and to encourage young people to be really interested in woodworking. I stayed in the last 4 years 3 times in Mexico. We are very happy to have there our subsidiary running the MEM and the industrial transformation and many other trade shows. And first of all, I'm really delighted to see that you are a much younger generation. So what we are complaining here, we do not have enough labor. You have young labor, you have to educate them to have skilled labor forces. And I expect you are more citizens than Germany. You are strategically in a very good situation. So I hope that Mexico is on the way to develop themselves as a good manufacturer for the world and a high-tech manufacturer, that you use also modern technology to improve your value added, to earn money with your products, exporting it to North America, exporting it to Europe. and being a very good partner for us in Germany and in Europe. And yes, I hope and I wish all the best for MEM, that is the sister of LIGNA, for the needs of the Mexican market. And once again, I invite all Mexicans to look at LIGNA, what we can improve in MEM.